Welcome to Baumit Life Challenge 2021.
Architecture needs to be awarded.
Hello and welcome to the fourth Baumit Life Challenge.
The first time of a Baumit Life Challenge in this way.
Let's start with the first category. It's thermal renovation.
The winner is Vivienda Alcoba.
The architects perfectly integrated thermal insulation into this Spanish home by complementing the design of the rest of the historic premises.
Un aplauso para todos.
Our second category, historical renovation.
And the winner is Novotny Baugesellschaft, Sezession, Austria.
The Sezession in Vienna is an icon of art, architecture and revolution.
We're very honored and I'm very happy that we actually received the prize of Baumit.
The third category is single family houses.
The winner is the single family house in Hungary.
A modern interpretation of the classic colonnaded portico with warm materials in contrast to the dark anthracite Baumit creative top.
We didn't expect it, so thank you for this prize.
So let's head on to the fourth category. It's non-residential.
The winner is the courtyard.
The variety of facades represents human diversity and invites people from everywhere to get together at this unique public space.
Thank you so much. We are so happy that we won it.
You're ready for the next category. It is multi-family residential.
So the winner is Slovenia with Mergel Apartments.
An exciting combination of bright plasters in combination with golden metal panels. It proves that an economical solution can be elegant and functional at the same time.
First of all, I would like to thank two of my colleagues that are here.
And now let's move on to a very special category, stunned by texture.
The winner in the stunned by texture will be the Rue Curial.
The play of different layers is most convincing. The white facade with Baumit creative top and a metal curtain is closing the gap in this diverse neighborhood in an elegant way.
We are very happy about this prize.
We have finally reached the top of the Life Challenge. It's the award, it's the best of the best. Now you can say the name.
Lithuania! The Mo Museum in Lithuania.
It's a subtle reinvention of plaster in the historical center of Vilnius. A striking white cube with a cutout. A perfect sample of combining plaster, glass and aluminium.
So how do you feel?
Simple and strong.
Thank you so much. It's a real surprise, really.
This was the Life Challenge Award.
Thank you very much. Goodbye and stay healthy.